Hi everybody, welcome back to Cantonese food recipes. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make a sweet corn egg drop soup. So it's very easy, very quick recipe, very quick video. So here I have boiled some water. So first we're gonna add in half a teaspoon of salt, just half a teaspoon. And then we're also going to drizzle a bit of olive oil. That's all. And then you're gonna go to your supermarket and then just buy yourself some sweet corn. So here I got some cream style sweet corn over here. So I'm just gonna open the tin. Just gonna dump it in. Okay, dump it in, let it boil, and then just keep on stirring it. Okay, we will wait for this to boil up, and then we will whisk up an egg, and then we'll pour it into the soup. Okay, now our soup is boiling up. Over here, you can crack one egg into a bowl. Just get a spoon and just whisk it up. Okay, once it's whisked up, just pour it all around the soup, just like this. Then you can just use our spoon to just twirl it around. As you can see, it's creating a lot of that egg dropness. Yeah. Yeah, just stir it around, let the eggs break up. Then we'll let it boil up. After it boils, we can sprinkle on top some spring onion for the presentation, the look. Very easy, quick and delicious side soup for your dinners. Okay, we'll let this boil up. Okay, it's boiled up, guys. It's ready. Time to put it in a good looking bowl and sprinkle some spring onions on it.